Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Honda Fit key. Start by locating the tiny seam where the two halves meet and choose a flathead or plastic pry tool. Apply gentle pressure and work slowly around the edges to avoid snapping clips. Keep small parts in a tray and note spring or tab positions for reassembly. Replace the battery if needed and test the remote before sealing it back together for reliable operation. Now we will open the fob carefully and inspect its parts. Remove the emergency key first, then use the pry tool to work around the seam, easing each clip free without forcing. Once open, lift the circuit board and battery out slowly, noting orientation and spring positions. Replace the battery if corroded and clean contacts with a cloth. Reassemble by aligning tabs and pressing halves until they click securely back together. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker fills your garage or workbench with music and voice control while you repair keys, and it won't interrupt your workflow. It's compact, sounds great for small spaces, and responds to quick commands so you can keep your hands free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the remote still misbehaves after battery replacement, check button pads, contacts, and the circuit for damage. Clean sticky residue with isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth, and consider ordering a replacement shell if clips are broken. Reassembly should be done gently to avoid cracking plastic. Always test lock, unlock, and panic functions from several feet away to confirm signal strength before finishing and putting the emergency key back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.